Hello, good morning. Magandang umaga mga kabrigada. Nandito tayo ngayon sa PMA. Tahimik. Walang tao. Okay, tutur tayo. Hello guys. Tutur tayo. May kita nyo may construction, di ba? Gagawin tactical officer building. Okay. Melchor Hall. Ganun pa rin. Ngayon panay classroom na lang yan eh. Tapos maya tingnan natin kung makukunan ko yung mga kadete kung non-mess formation. Ito. Kaya ako napunta dito. Ito yung BRP Sierra Madre kuno. Okay. BRP Sierra Madre. Meron palang BRP Sierra Madre dito. Kala ko nasa Ayungin. Okay. Buti ito, hindi kinakalawang ano. So ang attraction dito is tong tarnish na ano tawag dito, plake. So babasahin ko kung hindi malinaw ano. Close up ko lang. Plake ito ng PMA class of 1985. Ayan yung crest nila. So nung yearling sila, actually plebo muna, third year kami. Tapos nung nag first class na kami, pinagawa sila ng commitment. So ayan yung pledge nila na we the members of, babasahin ko we the members of Philippine Military Academy class of 1985. Malabo, tarnished eh. Basta hindi na sila maghihising. Yun yung ano. Okay. Do hereby pledge never to commit, tolerate nor condone any act of maltreatment, and that we will fully support and abide by all policies and regulations hirap basahin, instituted by duly constituted authorities towards the eradication of maltreatment. Be it known by all that we have made amongst ourselves a gentleman's agreement that whoever shall be found guilty of violating this pledge shall be disavowed, disowned. Sorry ginawang mission impossible eh. Talaga naman mission impossible. Disowned by the class and bear upon himself any other action the class may decide to take against him. This we pledge to our Commander-in-Chief, President Ferdinand E. Marcos. Si Apo, lakay pa pala tama. Through General Fabian C. Blair, Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Done in Fort Del Pilar, Baguio City, in the year of our Lord 1982. This 29th day of May. Witness the hands of our class officers. Cadet Galileo Gerard Quintana, ito yung naging first captain ng klase, naging 3-star to, Lieutenant General, Commanding General ng Air Force. Cadet Maximino Trinidad, Vice President. Cadet Restituto Padilla, spokesperson ng Armed Forces, di ba? Natatandaan nyo si Padilla? Cadet Abraham Casis, ito yung isa sa mga na hostage nung sa Quezon, sa Banahaw Command, na checkpoint, 4 sila. At si Cadet Elechicon. Ano nangyari dito? Hindi ko na Okay. So nakapirma yung mga class officer. Yan, nakapirma silang lahat. At ang ganda naman ng intensyon, Ang class advisor nila noon si Lieutenant Senior Grade Pabis, Captain Pabis ng Philippine Navy. Talagang nag-create pa ng EXOFA executive officers for 4th class affairs mula sa brigade, battalion, company level. So, parang shadow image ng Council of Commanders. May mga executive officer na noon, mga deputy, pero nag-create pa ng pangalawang deputy. Ang ano lang, ang comment ko lang doon, nagkaroon mga kami ng problema kasi parang nagkaroon ng separate Council of Commanders kasi dalawa yung nagpa-function. Siyempre kami as commanders, ang ano namin noon, trabaho din namin yun, walang hazing. Well anyway, 1985. Kaya guys, sali na kayong PMA, walang hazing. Walang hazing. Tapos, kailan namatay si Dormitorio? 2019. Okay? Thereabouts. So, hindi pa rin. Sayang yung pledge, ano? Sayang yung pledge. Madumi na. Dapat the class should send somebody to shine this every day. Diba? So, yun lang ang comment ko dyan. Pledges are made and they are broken. Anong moral lesson? Pagka talagang seryoso, dapat seryoso yan, true and true, institutionalized. Hindi yung nag-pledge yung isang class 1985, sunod-sunod na dapat yan, yung class nila Bato, 1986, etc. etc. Pagdating ng 2019, may namatay. Anak pa ng PMayor. Yun yung irony eh. So, sayang. Ito yung mga Medal of Valor awardees. Nandiyan ba ako? Wala ako dito. 1987. Sino to? So, si Parcon. Okay. Tapos, Sandoval, Philippine Army. Excuse me. Si Lucero, Ranger. Pero timbog eh. No? Santos, Philippine Constabulary. Hindi ba arrange ng randomly? Sino to? Castañeda. Ito yung sa Korea. Si Conrado Yap. Yung lumaban sa sa Yultong. Ito yung alam niyo yung kwento, 1,000 na Pilipino laban sa 40,000 na Chinese. Ayan. Okay. 10th Battalion Combat Team. PEFTOC. Expedition to Korea. Captain Yap was executing a defensive action as an advanced element of the frontline defense of the U.S. Army. When overwhelming superior enemy forces assaulted the PEFTOC positions. 120,000 yung nag-assault sa buong UN line. Nag-withdraw yung iba. Nakatapat ng Pilipinas, 40,000. Informed that their foes were rushing in to overrun their hill position and that the leader of the defending unit was hit, Captain Yap was determined to hold their ground. Tinamaan yung isang opisyal, si Arsiaga. Kinuha niya, tas tinamaan din siya. O baliktad yung kwento. Upon learning that their adversary had already captured the hill and that the leader of the unit and many others were either killed, captured or wounded, Captain Yap, in a desperate effort to resave the lost unit, ordered the covering support from other units. Despite receiving authority to withdraw, he personally led a furious counterattack to regain the hill position and rescue his trapped men. He succeeded in recovering the bodies of the officer and 3 other enlisted men. Tapang So sa kanya ngayon nakapangalan ang Mess Hall. Yap Hall. Ang panahon ni Cartojano, galing for Valor. Medal of Valor awardees. So nandito si Kerubin. Si Ortiz, 79. Okay. Mga snappy, no? Bacaro. Oh. Yung si Noel Buan. Oh. Isa nating, si Sobihana. CS, di ba? Naging CS. So yung sumasaludo ng kabilang kamay. Delta Company, snappy talaga, Delta. Si Bacaro yung pinalitan na ni sino yun? 2 beses nag-chief of staff na isa. Kerubin. Okay. Noel Buan. Oh. Noel, kamusta na? Ito isa nating kabrigada. Mga kasama natin. Kasama sa Ranger to. For acts of conspicuous courage, gallantry, and intrepidity at the risk of life, above and beyond the call of duty during an encounter with Abu Sayyaf, elements under Commander Sally, blah blah blah. A Lieutenant Colonel was aware of the danger of becoming a possible hostage himself after he took the risk of entrapment operation. Okay. Basa nyo. And lastly, si Dilag. PMA class 1998. Imagine yung tapang mo, tapos ngayon naka-display ka ngayon para ikaw yung inspirasyon ng mga kadete. Nice. Okay, so hanggang doon lang muna ako. Walang tubig ang ating Pilipinas. Saan ang West Philippine Sea? Ayun. Ayun yung West Philippine Sea. Ayun yung Scarborough Shoal. Nag-iisa. Okay, so hanggang doon lang muna tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.